Here's a gap on the timeline of Davinci Resolve. I click on it and I would like to press the delete key, but it's not deleting only that gap and pulling this to the left, but it is deleting the end of this clip. So that portion here on the right side is also missing. So once again, I click on this and it will delete from this line to the right also, from the video and the audio. Delete or backspace does the same thing. So let's see how to stop that behavior. You have to disable these sync lock features here. You can click on them and you can disable them. When they are gray, then they are disabled, and when they are white, they are enabled. And when they are disabled, you can click on the gap, you can press, let's say, delete on the keyboard. Is pulling that track to the left, but it's not modifying that track. The same thing here, select the gap, press, let's say, backspace if you want, and it's not cutting the top one. Okay, let's undo it. Now let's see how to enable and disable these, not one by one, but you can drag. Let's say I'm dragging with the left click of the mouse, and notice it is enabling and disabling all of them, but not up there. It's not acting upon the video also. It stops at the audio. Since I started the dragging from the audio, it's acting only upon the audio. And the same thing here. Since I started from the video, it's not acting upon the audio also. But how to enable and disable these all at once? Let's say with a keyboard shortcut. Come here to Davinci Resolve, keyboard customization, and since the command is sync lock, let's say I want to use the letter S. S already has a split command to it, so Control and S has the save project. Alt, Control Alt S is not occupied, so that's free. Let's use Control Alt and S. Search for the command sync lock, and open that sync lock. Go down to enable, disable sync lock for all tracks. Click inside that field. Now press the Control Alt and S keyboard shortcut and press the save button. You can even verify Control Alt and S, and the command is there. Close it, and now they are all disabled. And if I press Control Alt and S, now they are all enabled. When they are enabled, they are cutting off the tracks above them. And Control Alt S again, they are all disabled, and now they are not cutting off what is above them. Okay, so that's how to delete only what's needed and not everything on all the tracks. So if I disable only, let's say, that one, then it is not acting on that track, since that one is gray. Delete, and this remained here. That was modified because it's red, and this was modified because it was pulled to the left. So what is enabled here, that will be modified. If I do a modification with this one, trim edit mode, then notice it's acting upon that portion also, because sync lock is enabled. Undo it, disable sync lock, let's say, for this one, and with this trim edit mode, it's not acting upon that also. But if I enable it, then it's acting upon all of the tracks which have sync lock enabled.